Want home security leads who actually want to hear from you? Stop wasting money on stale lists and cold outreach. Our AI-powered system finds real homeowners actively shopping for home security, then puts your offer right in front of them, delivers their info straight to you. Here's how it works. We create a professional, high-converting banner ad for your business. Our advanced AI targets homeowners who are currently researching or comparing home security solutions online. When a prospect clicks your ad, they are instantly sent to your website or landing page to learn more. The same moment, you receive their full contact information, including name, email, phone, and location, so you can follow up directly. Every lead is exclusive to you. Why do our AI-powered home security leads work? You get real-time website traffic and qualified contact info for each click. Your ads reach only those with proven intent with our advanced AI targeting. No wasted impressions or junk leads. Our AI captures contact details with 90% accuracy at the moment prospects show interest by clicking your ad. Our team handles your custom banner ad design and setup, free with every order. Works for any size team. Dealers, installers, agencies, call centers, all can benefit. Prospect sees your ad while researching best home security system or similar. They click, land on your website, and their contact info is instantly captured and delivered to you. You follow up by phone, email, or SMS while they're still in buying mode. Every click is a live opportunity. No cold calling, no more wasted ad spend. Let us know your target. Our AI finds them, and you close the sale. You pick your targeting, including location, volume, and audience. You launch your campaign, usually within 48 hours. Get leads and website visitors in real time, every day. Pause, scale, or adjust your campaign anytime. Ready to fill your sales pipeline with real home security prospects? Click buy now or chat with us to customize your campaign.